Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own DIY sketchbook at home without sewing. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, you're going to be using your recycled paper. This is just a stack of some paper I have at home. So first, you're going to get your paper, and what you're going to do is grab a sheet of your paper and fold it in half. You don't have to do this if you're going for an A4 size, but I'm going for an A5 size, so I'm folding each of the papers in half. Now you're just going to repeat that for every single sheet of paper that you want. This depends on how much you want in your sketchbook, but a short stack will do. Now it's taking forever, let's use the magic wand. Ta-da! Now it's all folded. So now that you have all of your sheets folded, this is what it looks like. We can move on to the next step. Now for the next step, you can use a ruler or scissors, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it with both methods. So you're basically going to turn the paper that you folded into two sheets, and the crease that you made, you can use that to tear it in half with a ruler or cut it in half. For me, I prefer using scissors because it gives me a cleaner cut instead of the ruler, but you can definitely do both methods or either one. So you're going to repeat this once again with all of your papers. Let's speed it up. And there we go. We have all of our papers cut out, and this is what it looks like. Next, we're going to need some craft glue, staplers, and we're going to be stapling all of the paper together. As you can see, if it's too thick, your stapler won't go through. So what I do is I split it into 3 stacks and I staple them separately. Then I staple them together by going in between each stack, if that makes sense. As you can see, I'm going in between the stacks that I've stapled, so that in the end you get one whole book. Okay, after you've stapled all of them together, you're gonna need to sandwich your book in between 2 thick or heavy things. People would normally use a book press, but since I don't have that and you might not have that at home, we're gonna be using 2 thick books to smush it together, to smush your paper together. So I'm gonna be using this craft glue that I got from Daiso and an old brush. So now what you're going to do is brush the sides of it, the side that you want to stick. This is the side that you want to glue all the papers together, and we're just going to brush it on. Don't be afraid to put more than you need because we want it to be really secure. Okay, so just cover it all in glue. Don't be afraid to get it on the sides and just leave it to dry. I let mine to dry for about an hour, but you can come back in 30 minutes or so, depending on the glue you use. Next step you're going to do is stick tape onto it. I'm just using simple masking tape. You can use any tape you want, but masking tape is the simplest. So just cover that part in tape. Okay, now you have the base of your book. You're going to add the cover. I'm just using this box board. You can use any cover that you want to use. I'm using cardboard material, but you can use fabric or any other board that you have. I'm just measuring out the size that I need and cutting out the excess. And after I measured the sides, I'm creasing it with a ruler or any other material. After creasing, I'm measuring out and cutting out the excess. Now you can place your book inside the cover, and I'm going to be using double-sided tape to stick it together. Now your book is ready and it's time for designing. I've sketched a little cinema roll design and I'm just outlining it here. You can draw anything you want or you can write something. I'm just doing a simple outline art because I think it'd be really cute on the cover, and I love Sanrio, so I just thought it'd be a really cute doodle. Now I'm just erasing the sketch marks, and that's basically it. You can add more to decorate your sketchbook, but I like to keep it plain and simple. And this is my finished sketchbook. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, and if you'd like to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!